Welcome everyone. In this holiday season, we have launched a new Python FastTrack course. This has been launched after a lot of demand from the community, especially for the people who want to learn Python and who are hesitant to learn Python. This mini course, which is a fast track, the main challenge for me was to make something that is engaging, that can be done in one sitting of maximum of 2 hours. You will be able to complete all the recordings and get your completion certificate. That is something that is there. When I was looking into the data of my LMS, which we are running for the last 3 to 4 years, we spend a lot of time creating our courses and creating our content. And a lot of people join with a lot of enthusiasm, but they are not able to complete it. And for us, it is more about the completion. Even though our Python courses, we have around 5 versions of Python courses already in our community platform, but they are approximately 50 videos, because if people who want to go a little bit detailed into every chapter, there is an option to do that later. But this chapter is breaking the ice of you looking at Python for the first time. A lot of people who are non-coders who feel that this is Greek and Latin, nothing like that. I have made it as easy as possible. We have taken help of a lot of AI tools, fine-tuned it with our data, and making the experience as seamless as possible. You don't need to install anything. You just need a laptop, or even if you can do it on an iPad and mobile as well, if you have the ability to look at small screens and run the code. It is, everything is on cloud, very seamless and very easy. My only request for anyone who has been thinking of learning about data science and AI, Python is one of the roadblocks for many of us, but now we have reduced that roadblock for you by creating this amazing, essential, fast track program. So please complete this, and thank you everyone for watching this video and purchasing and subscribing to this course. Take this further and complete it. Make sure, two things you need to do: mark as complete, get your certificate, and for the next steps, look into the last video. And I also recommend every one of you to take this step further. Whatever you are doing, whatever learning you are doing, please take it one step ahead, keep practicing, and try to be part of our live workshops and our community platforms. Best of luck, and looking at this video.